Hello, Kane from Next Day Science here. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up a banner stand pole kit right at home. It's fairly simple. The first step, you're just going to roll out your banner wherever you'd like to place it in your yard. The next step, we're going to connect the poles around the banner. You'll see that you're provided with two side poles. They'll have elbow connectors, and two top poles, one of which will have a middle connector. And they simply snap right in there. Now that we have all the poles connected, we're going to use our zip ties to connect the banner to the poles. Just going to put one zip tie through the grommet, pull it, just snap it so it's closed. Do that at each hole. So when you're connecting these zip ties, just be sure that you're only connecting them to the first notch when you hear the first click. We're not pulling them taut just yet. You can always pull them tighter later on if you need to, or feel like the banner needs to be a little bit more taut. Be sure also that you're connecting two zip ties at each of the top two corners, one connecting to the side pole and one connecting to the top pole. Again, that'll just help keep your banner nice and taut. Now that we've connected the banner to the poles, we're ready to actually hammer our stakes into the ground. First, you're going to line up the stakes, which you can see have the pointy end here, with the base of the poles. And then you can either use a hammer, or if you don't have a hammer at home, you can honestly just kind of press these into the ground, especially when the ground is nice and soft. But I do have a hammer, so I'm just going to line it up with those poles. And just hammer those in until they feel nice and sturdy. And once the stakes are set up, ready to hold the whole pole kit and slide them over top of the stake. Like so. And there you go. Your banner is all set up and ready to go for whatever event you've got going on.